It's another homesteady day. It's actually prep day. It'll probably be Thursday when you see this though. And there's a tractor headed our way for a short period of time, but that's cool. A phenomenal friend and brother has taken upon himself. He said, I want to support you in Florida, but I can't go to Florida because I got pressing concerns, but I can come help you here so you can get your here going so you can go there and do the things there. So I'm walking to the end of the driveway now to go meet him so that he doesn't do what everybody else does and drive right past our driveway, because you can't find this place even when you want to. So it's the beginning of another homestead day. We fully intend to plow up some land today and dress our road right there. And you just showed what the entry to your place. You can't find this place. You can't. You can't. And as I've said many times before, showing up uninvited to our house would be literally the worst mistake of your life. It would be the last mistake of your life, I could promise you that. So, yeah, homestead day. Okay, so as you noticed, there's a tractor here because my brother, friend, client, buddy, we have the most interesting, it's like, where are the lines with Hebrews, you know? It's like my brother, Steve, is here with his equipment. They brought us a 30-horse tractor to play with for a day or two, and we just cultivated an area about 100 foot long, no, 150 foot long by about 30 wide. So what's that, 4,500 square foot for corn? Shut up, I'll put my belt on if I want to. And now we're going across the creek to cultivate an area for grandma's garden, and I got to dig a hole, 2 holes for grandma's clothesline. Y'all okay? Okay. It's lunchtime if you want to fix something to eat, or.
I know.
Okay.
Oh no, you got dirty.
And so I'm gonna dig some holes while he does some cultivating. And I got a bucket of water in the back. I can hear it sloshing all over the place. Good thing there's not anything like, oh, I don't know, sacks of concrete back there as well. You should put a lid on that. Yeah, I know I should. And grandma's out here in the hayfield, and Steve's out here in the hayfield. Hey, we got all kinds of stuff going on. Okay, we got so busy being homesteady that we truthfully forgot to film a whole bunch of stuff. But we did get a chipper, and we did start blowing wood chips into the, wow, I gotta fix that house, it looks horrendous. Okay, did start, there we go. Oh, now I gotta fix the barn. How about right here? We did start blowing wood chips into the garden for the Back to Eden garden. And sun's about to be down, which means it's about to be Shabbat, which means we will pick this video up on Sunday morning, first day, when the tribe arrives, so we can do more homesteady things. Shabbat shalom.
Thank can't hear you.
Day 2 of homestead shenanigans. Don't yawn at me. It's because you haven't. The earplugs in. I have these cool ones attached to the back of my hat. We're waiting for assorted members of the tribe to get here to commence this thing in earnest. There will be a pod, plan of the day, and a safety brief before we do that, and then we're gonna get busy. There's a wood chipper behind us. It's kind of a pig, but it's better than burning all of it. You love it. Use words.
I love it.
She loves it. Okay. So anyway, we're gonna get started. So, yay, homestead day 2. Blur this face. The tribe has arrived and we did a safety brief. Y'all did an after action report. Should I pan this way? Look at these handsome gentlemen. Look at this. We don't mess around. This is like the best group of people. I mean, for real. And I'm not just saying this because the freaking internet's here. I don't care about them. I mean, I do. Don't run away. But, you know, I don't just say things for their benefit. So y'all had an after action report on the drive. And you got a porter wrap. Good job, Cody.
Yep.
Yeah, I got another one if you need it. And Cody's getting suited up to go up in trees and make tree limbs go away. And the Millennial Man here is going to run a chainsaw. Brother Chuck, you're going to run a chainsaw. Yeah. Who's this guy? Trespasser. Look at the trespasser issue again. And I'm going to try and keep the camera-ish going-ish, but generally speaking, when we do these kinds of things, there's so much stuff going on that there's rarely an opportunity to film. So that's why I figured I was like, at least, you know, touch base on what we're doing. You got any words of wisdom for the internet? Other than the ones you produce 8 times a week already?
Sure, I can do words of wisdom.
Words of wisdom. All right, thanks. You guys are...
All right, brother.
I'm just amazed. I love being part of a tribe.
This is what it's all about,
Yeah.
is people getting together and working together, brethren being together. How wonderful and joyous it is when brethren dwell together in unity. What happened?
No, I was just looking at the sky.
Oh yeah, it's not great weather.
Yeah, because people be like, oh, I wish it was sunny and 65. It doesn't matter.
You got to work, you got to train. We're doing so much.
Yeah.
You know, we're getting stuff done. That's cool. We're working together as a group, so we're learning each other even more than we are. Mm-hmm. We're fellowshipping, and we're going to have some of Grandma's cake.
Yeah, right? Thank you. Okay. They're like, yeah, there's 24 people. I think there's 20. Amongst, when you count all the heads, there's 20 people here. New sheep are here. Cody's about to go in a tree. We got 5 saws running on the ground. We got a wood chipper. We're taking fence down. There's 5 sheep about to go in the sheep pen. There's a pole saw running. Harlan's got a sawzall. So you can cut down the fence. Good times. Okay, so that pine tree right there, somebody tried to top back in the day and it's rotten, so now we're gonna put it on the ground.
Here at the Shofar Mountain Tree Service, we do it all.
We're done. We ate. We're fellowshipping now, and then everybody's gonna drive home again. So I have no idea what this is gonna look like on your side of the video, but we trimmed literal dozens of trees.
That's what she's doing there.
James is on the pole saw. Cody was up in the trees. I felled a tree. Sam was running the saw. Brother Chuck was running the saw. Scott had a hand saw. Steve had a saw. Lots of chipping. Everybody drug brushed. Say hi, honey. We just ate, and now everybody's exhausted because we have food in our stomachs. And then, yeah, so I'm just gonna... No, you're not. You're not. Nobody's talking about you. There's nothing happening over here.
Sorry.
Do you want to say something to the people? Do you know how to do this? You want me to talk you through it?
I didn't want to. Well, is this the camera?
This right. Look
Do
right.
we look at ourselves right here, like that.
Yeah. So step one is hold it vertically. Okay. Yeah.
Vertically, right?
Vertically.
I've heard that. That's what you're supposed to do.
Good day, man.
It was a
Really good day.
Great day.
Say hello. Say hi to the people. Ozark Geek.
Ozark Geek here. Shalom.
Yeah.
What a good day.
It was a phenomenal day. I'm just gonna turn it on to time lapse now and just let the people at home.
I'm Bear Senior, TJ's dad.
Bear Senior, yeah.
I'm Junior.
Don't you told
Sam's
the
dad.
you told the internet?
I'm the Millennial Man's dad.
My dad and my brother are here.
And TJ is my dad.
That's phenomenal. Oh, I love it. All right. You got any words of wisdom? I mean, the goats got to eat.
That's right. The goats got to eat. Look, it's just good, you know, as a community, as a tribe, doing this kind of stuff, you know, community building. It's always a good time, good fellowship, you know.
Man,
More the usual.
we killed it today.
Yeah.
People are like, oh, I don't know. I don't think I need a team. We did 3 weeks worth of work in 3 hours today.
Yeah, I guess that was Sister Kate's idea, your little wood pile. I really like that. We're going to do that at our house.
But that little wood pile right there, yeah.
That's the leftovers.
I feel like somebody's gonna be like, you should plant shiitake mushrooms in that.
Right.
Come on, come do it. Come on, bring the spores and everything. I'll go halves with you. But yeah, we're all, you know. I mean, if an invading force came down the driveway right now,
Pity the fool.
we could repel them, but a nap might also be good. So, you know, kind of right in there. So I'm just gonna put it on time lapse now.
Okay.
Shalom, y'all.